Is your Galaxy S24 storage full? Here's how to check video storage and free up space. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, then tap on device care. In here, tap on storage, then tap on videos. In here, you can review all your video files and then delete the one that you don't want to keep. So for example, this one right here, I can tap on that. This one will allow me to play the video. If you want to delete it, tap on the more button, then tap on edit. In here, select the video files that you want to remove, then tap on delete, and then tap on move to trash. And you can continue with this action to delete any video files that you want to remove. You can also remove multiple files, so you can select one or more files and then tap on delete and then move them to trash. And once it is moved to trash, you can empty your trash as well. So you go down to trash and then tap on the my files or gallery. In here you can empty, so you can empty your trash in here. If it's in my files, you can empty my files app, and that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.